Hello guys, this is Sajid. Today we are going to see how to speed up your WordPress website. On my screen you can see that my page score on the Google Page Speed Insights. It's showing me mobile score 70 out of 100 and desktop speed is 83 out of 100, which is quite good actually. But by using some techniques we can improve this score much better. In my case it's showing 83 and 70. Maybe in your case it's showing different score. Maybe you are getting score for desktop is 50, 60 or 70, whatever it is. Now in this tutorial I am showing the proven techniques I have applied on a lot of my client site, and it works actually. Means I can say that confidently I have good experience over optimizing site, and I know how to speed up your WordPress website. We have some techniques to follow, so let's see it step by step. At first, keep a note that you have to install these three plugins for your WordPress site: compress JPG and PNG images, lazy load, and cache. What this plugin does, so every website contains some images, and I can say that without images no single website can get complete. So to compress your website images is very essential and very important, because images are the what I can say, images are the major cause to slow down your website. If you are using the image of size 500 KB, 1 MB or 2 MB on your web page, then definitely your site takes much time to load. So by using this plugin you can compress your images. I activate it. After activating, you have to get developer key from their site. Once you go to that their setting page, you can get the details, means how you can get the developer key of that plugin. Now next one is lazy load and cache. Lazy load, what it does, as the name suggests, lazy load images to improve page load times. Lazy load images is nothing but what we can say that images are not loading when the page loads. Images are load when user scroll to them. Let's say I have 10 images on my page, so and I refreshing my page, so your page will not take time to load 10 images. It just load the content that is visible right now on our screen. And your images, if your images are the below the bottom, then there those images get loaded when users scroll to them automatically. And same like W3 total cache, as the name indicates, this plugin used for caching purpose. Now activate, apply. Now let's check the score. Analyze. Yeah, it improves. Previously it was 70, now it is 77, and previously it was 83, and it's now showing 89. So these three plugin used to improve your site speed. There are some more techniques. I have written the blog on the same topic, 6 steps to speed up WordPress website, out of which 3 we have applied. Now let's see some other techniques. Include CSS and JS in a standard way. Yeah, while using WordPress or in any other website, there is a standard for including your JS file. Your JS should be included in footer and your CSS should include in header. So this is the one way to optimize your website. If your JS are loading in header, then definitely on page speed you will, yeah, here you can see, here they are showing element render blocking JavaScript and CSS above the field content. Why this is? Because these JS are included in header of my site, not in the footer. As my site is, what I can say, my site is small, it does not contain much data, so I get the better result on Google page speed. But if the your size is growing and growing, you are using a lot of plugins, you are doing customization, that time keep in mind that you should include your JS file in footer and not in your header. You can refer my this blog. I will give the link of this blog in the description. Don't worry about it. You can follow this blog and you will get the idea how to include JS in footer using WordPress. Next, next step is optimize image before use. I shown you the I shown you the plugin compress JPG and PNG images. You might be use or you can use some other plugins as well. Here are the list. Now step 3 is lazy load images. I have shown you plugin optimize database. Yeah, sometime on the page speed inside you can notice the error like your server respond less, your server responds slowly. Actually, there are some reasons why your server responding slowly. One of the reason is your hosting service, that and one more reason is your database. Maybe your database taking more time to respond to your server. So keep in mind that you should choose the good hosting provider for your website. And about the database, about optimizing database, I recommend you one plugin, WPDB manager. Yeah, this plugin WPDB manager, this plugin helps you to optimize your database. I show you how. This is the menu generated from this plugin. Go to optimize DB, and from this page you can optimize your tables. All tables are selected and you can click on this optimize button and your all optimized table get optimized. It will help to improve your server response. Next step is, yeah, define WP post revision 3. You should add this line in your wp config.php file or in your active themes function.php file. What it does, I show you. When we edit any post or any page, WordPress store the copy of each post in your database. That way your revision get stored again and again. I show you. Means this is my post. Now let's assume I update something and I click on update. Now on the click of each update, one copy gets stored in your database. So by default, means from my experience, I can say that you don't need to store each revision in your database. Normally you can store up to 3 to 5 revision, that is sufficient. Means you never need your means if you are going to store 10, 20 or hundreds of revision of your post, then it does not make any sense. It just increase your database size. So it is better to keep WP post revision to less number. Use of cache, as I show you, W3 total cache. Some other plugin also works well. You can give a try to other plugins as well. Step 6, leverage browser caching. Actually when we use W3 total cache, you don't need to follow this step because W3 Total Cache automatically add this code in your htaccess file. What it what this code does, it just add the expire headers for your static content like your images, CSS file, PDF file, and it helpful for cache purpose. You don't your browser does not need to load each static content again and again. It just get from their browser cache. So these are the steps you can follow to speed up your website. So just go ahead and follow these steps. I'm sure you will get the better result. If you are facing any issue or any problem, or you have any doubt how to integrate this step, then please contact me or please leave a comment in the below comment form. I will glad to help you on the topic of optimizing or speed up your website. So that's all about today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.